This video is about Mellow C5 USB bridge and firmware burning. Let's first introduce this firmware. If you use a tool board and connect it to the MCU via CAN, you need to flash the USB bridge firmware. If you don't use this connection, you only need to flash the USB firmware. You can only choose one of them. Let's take out our C5 board. First, check the switch. Please pull it up to the top. Otherwise, it cannot be connected to MCU, because we need to connect through network. So be sure to connect the antenna or network cable. Don't connect other devices before uploading firmware. Then we put power on. Please connect to the Type-C port near the host. We need to connect to the host to network. Before you flash the firmware, take a moment to carefully go through the instructions below. Skipping this could lead to a failed flash. If you have connected before, double-click the connection record here to connect. If you haven't connected before, click on Session and select. Enter the IP address here. Click OK or press Enter to connect. Then log in. Enter the account and password, account root, password Mellow. After successful login, next, burn the USB bridge firmware. A USB to CAN bridge firmware has already been pre-compiled in the FlyAsFast system. You don't need to manually compile the firmware anymore. Just run the command below to flash the firmware. You can also choose to manually compile the USB to CAN bridge firmware yourself. We don't recommend compiling the USB to CAN firmware manually. Just select the appropriate setting based on your device. Fly system uses 1 million by default. The C5 system is set to 1 million by default. If you want to switch to 500,000, head to the system config and adjust the CAN bus bitrate. This command is for flashing the USB to CAN bridge firmware with a 1 million baud rate. Choose your device as needed. First, click the copy button, then right-click in the window and select paste to paste it in. That means the firmware has been successfully flashed. Then, the next step is to search for the CAN ID. Start by opening your web browser and then enter the host PC's IP address in the URL field. Then you'll enter the fluid. Let's use fluid as an example. Mainsail is pretty much the same. Open the web interface of the host, then find in the configuration option located in the left sidebar. Click in and you'll find the printer CFG file, then just click to open it. If it's your first time using this, go through the steps shown in the picture carefully. Don't skip or overlook anything. Find the devices option in the top right corner. Click CAN, then refresh. After that, refresh to update the view. We'll do that later. Go through the documentation first, then start working on search and ID later. We need type in host. Add a space after MCU. Click this button to copy. Leave 2 empty lines here. Copy the last one. Select replace with the ID you just queried and delete it. Click on devices in the top right corner and select CAN. Click refresh. Copy the searched ID into the Clipper configuration file. Click to save and restart. No error means it's all good. That's all for this video.